Hello, right now I am riding the ship. I'm right now looking at the map and seeing where's north and where's south. I'm really good at driving the ship. There's two captains to help me drive. Guys, this is the part 2 of the Corfu trip. I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, we're gonna go for another boat trip to explore the caves. Let's go! Right now we're looking at the beautiful water among the beautiful trees and nature. And look how beautiful the weather is. Okay, we're gonna go inside our first cave. Inside our first cave, a lot of coral, fishes, rocks, everything you want inside a giant cave. And look at this cave size. Okay, let's go inside. It's wonderful. Okay, me and my friends are having fun, relaxing and talking. It's a fun ride. We're gonna explore some more caves and look at some beautiful fishes. Look at all the boats. There's more people who want to explore all the caves and see the beautiful fishes. These caves are massive and I'm loving the vibe. We will take a lot of photos and videos to have a break time. Look at all the beautiful fishes. They're so blue. Did you know when they're in the water they look blue, but when they're outside they're a grey colour? We're trying to feed them some food and see will they try it. Look, they're all swimming. There's so many, I can't count them. Me and my friends are having a group photo. We were just talking about the Corfu trip, the fun memories we made, and all the photos, all the fun we had. The boat trip is finished. It was totally worth it. Right now we're playing in the sand and we're gonna go get some ice cream. After we get the ice cream, we're gonna go back to city center. We go shopping. These are so pretty islands. That island over there is called the Mouse Island. And these are some other islands. We got a bit hungry, so we went to a nearby restaurant to have some delicious food. It's so fancy. You can swim here and just look how fancy it is. We ordered lots of food. We ordered pizza, burger, seafood, fries, lots of foods. Just admire these places. I'm so hungry, so let's just start eating. Right now we're waiting for the food to come. Oh my gosh, this food is delicious. How do they make it? It's wonderful. Me and my friends have came to explore the interior and look at the beautiful water. And I just want to explore this place. Oh my gosh, it's so wonderful and beautiful. I wish I could swim in that water. We had some wonderful filling food. So now we're gonna go to our next destination. last but not least, who forgot to go shopping? It's me. So we're gonna go and do some shopping and buy some nice souvenir. We have reached Old Town. We're gonna go do some shopping. So there's lots of streets with things that they sell. It has lots of stuff. Belts, shoes, hats, bracelets, sweet oranges. And this is called Small Orange. It's really famous in Corfu. And there's lots of shops with so much things. I'm gonna try it. Oh, it tastes so good. I love the sweet oranges. My parents tried the orange drink and they loved it. So now we're gonna buy some more stuff. Like all the more jewelries and bracelets, makeup, bags. There's so much stuff. Very close to Old Town, there's a church. So many people are heading to the church. Yes. And then me and my friends are gonna go and buy some stuff. And we're gonna buy lots of soft toys and cute stuff. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's a heart. Shaped fridge magnet. And there's so many fridge magnets over here. Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Wow, look at that Pikachu. That's adorable. And look at the Kuromi fan. There's so much stuff. There's bracelets over there. And there's a few keychains over there. I love all this stuff that they sell here. Over here is all the wooden stuff. Like wooden flute, wooden spoon, wooden pan. And some dream catchers. Lots of wooden stuff. We came to a jewelry shop that's made out of a lot of natural minerals, pearls, and lots of other stuff.
I had a wonderful Greece trip with my friend in Corfu. Okay guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. I hope you have a great day. See you in my next video. Goodbye.